Hello, this is your fucking dude from the fucking tunnel knows that's fucking Ian Gaming. Yeah. Fucking this shithole, fuck. I am just know that now you have to have a fucking special license to get in a fucking governmental building and to fucking go wide in a fucking airplane. What the fuck, government? What the absolute fuck shit? You expect us to do such stupid, crummy crap. So what? You can get a fucking pleasure on how many fucking pissed off individuals you fucking pissed off? You really want to see how fucking mad I fucking am? Because I'm really fucking mad, yeah. I know, oh yeah, not Besada. Oh yeah, the people of Overwatch. Go fuck you, go fuck Twitch from violating our amendment. You guys are violating an amendment, our First Amendment, the right to have the freedom of speech and the right to have your own opinion. And I'm sorry. You dumb crybaby, go fucking die! This place does not need crybabies. If you're a fucking crybaby, go fuck yourself or go fucking kill yourself. I don't give fucking two fucking shit about whether your life is ended or not because honestly, why should I care? I know, yeah. But Sandra, I know you're probably gonna fucking watch this fucking shitty video. Go fuck yourself. From falsely advertisement on your fucking collector edition when all you fucking did is release a horrible game that was completely buggy. You had a fucking game that was the price of the microtransaction in the fucking game was so inflated that nobody's willing to pay for it. And then you decide to add fucking loot boxes. You are you fucking consumer every fucking day. Oh yeah, the fact that the fucking leak information that could have been mine information, it could have been anyone else's. And thanks to that, millions of fucking people that you dox, either by accident or not accident, I don't give two shit. But the people you fucking dox are now being harassed by people. Why? Well, because you're fucking messed up. And the fact that you falsely advertise several times. But the FTC isn't gonna get involved. I thought they were, but they never are. The fucking Federal fucking Trade fucking Commission. They say, oh, we'll look into loot boxes. Never heard from them. There's no news saying nothing about what they do. Then they say, oh well, we'll look into the falsely advertisement. That never fucking happened. Why? Because again, there is no news saying that they finished what they did. To tell me, Federal fucking Trade fucking Commission, are you really FTC, or are you just there to fuck the people of the United States of America? And also, the goddamn fucking Congress, are you there watching, paying attention to what the fuck you're doing? Because what you guys are doing is unconstitutional, and quite honestly, you guys should be ashamed of yourself. I know, yeah, here's the thing for Trump. If you're not gonna build a wall, then why in the hell would you ever promise it in the fucking first place? So yes, you can see I'm really angry. Angry enough to punch a fucking hole in someone's head. For I fucking care. So, just letting you fucking guys know that those are what's up right now. Any more fucking question? If so, please let me know. Because if I will, then I'll fucking let you know by making another fucking god awful fucking video about how much I fucking hate companies and the fucking government. So, bye!